Welcome back to another video by Gonzo Builds. I have way too much scrap wood and it's time to get rid of it. This timber comes from an old silky oak wardrobe that I've ripped to pieces and some other bits of old furniture that were falling apart. First things first, let's cut these bits of wardrobe down and we'll use that as the pole in the center. Now I'll trim them to size using the bandsaw. Hey, subscribe to the channel and don't miss more of this in the future. Off camera, I trimmed both of these pieces so I could get rid of the old dowel holes. Next we'll just paint it with glue and give it a hug with some clamps. This is another piece of old wardrobe that I'm going to use as the base. I'll just give it a quick trim up on the bandsaw. I'm going to trim this into an octagon and keep these little offcuts. Quickly, I'm going to glue the offcuts into a square. All of the screw heads used to put the coat hooks on initially were completely stripped, so I'm just going to drill them out. In order for the mug tree to spin correctly, we're going to need two base pieces and a lazy Susan mechanism sitting between them. So let's cut that second base piece. With all woodworking, there's going to be some sanding, so let's throw all the pieces onto the belt sander and get it done. I routed an edge on both pieces here, as you'll see. Apparently I didn't press record, sorry about that. This little square is the offcuts piece glued together, and we'll put that onto the main stand. As you can see here, I put the Lazy Susan bearing mechanism onto the bottom base piece. Now we screw both of the base pieces together using the Lazy Susan mechanism. I thought these were brass, turns out they're just painted steel, so I went ahead and gave them a touch up with gold spray paint. For the finish, it's a simple satin polyurethane, nothing fancy to see here. Now I just throw some coat hooks on and it is done. And if anyone is wondering, the bottom base piece I have no idea, but everything else is silky oak. And there you have it, another easy scrapwood project. Thanks for watching. If you got this far, you should consider subscribing. That way you won't miss out on anything else in the future.